Imagine a fighter aircraft capable of conducting air superiority missions in the morning, precision ground strikes in the afternoon, and maritime patrol before sunset, all without changing its core configuration. This is the philosophy behind the Dassault Rafale, one of the world's most versatile multi-role combat aircraft. Developed by the French aerospace company Dassault Aviation, the Rafale was designed to provide the French armed forces with a single platform capable of replacing several specialized aircraft. Rather than relying on separate fighters for interception, reconnaissance, nuclear deterrence, and close air support, France envisioned one aircraft that could excel across every mission profile. The origins of the Rafale date back to the late 1970s and early 1980s. During this period, European nations were exploring a joint fighter program that would eventually evolve into what became the Eurofighter Typhoon. France initially participated in these discussions, but soon realized that its operational requirements differed significantly from those of its European partners. The French military required an aircraft that could operate both from conventional air bases and from aircraft carriers. It also demanded exceptional multi-role capability from the very beginning, rather than evolving into one over time. These differences ultimately led France to withdraw from the multinational project and pursue an entirely independent development program. This decision represented a massive financial commitment, but it also guaranteed complete control over every aspect of the aircraft, from its airframe and engines to its radar systems, electronic warfare suite, and weapon integration. As a result, France would not depend on foreign governments for upgrades, export approvals, or technological modifications. The first Rafale technology demonstrator took to the skies in July 1986. Over the following years, engineers refined the aircraft extensively, incorporating lessons learned from thousands of flight hours and advances in digital avionics, composite materials, and flight control systems. By the late 1990s, production aircraft were entering service with the French Navy, followed shortly afterward by the French Air and Space Force. Since then, the Rafale has steadily matured into one of the most capable fourth-and-a-half-generation fighters currently in operational service. Unlike many combat aircraft that specialize in a narrow range of missions, the Rafale was designed from day one as what military planners call an omni-role fighter. This means the aircraft can perform multiple mission types during a single sortie without returning to base. A Rafale pilot can take off carrying air-to-air missiles, precision-guided bombs, reconnaissance pods, and anti-ship missiles simultaneously. During the same mission, the aircraft can engage hostile fighters, destroy ground targets, collect battlefield intelligence, and provide support for friendly forces. This flexibility dramatically reduces logistical complexity while increasing operational effectiveness. Instead of deploying multiple specialized aircraft, commanders can assign Rafales to adapt dynamically as battlefield conditions change. The aircraft has repeatedly demonstrated this versatility during real combat operations across several theaters, including Afghanistan, Libya, Mali, Iraq, Syria, and counter-terrorism missions throughout Africa. In each campaign, the Rafale showcased its ability to perform long-range strike missions, precision attacks, reconnaissance, and defensive patrols with remarkable reliability. One of the defining characteristics of the Rafale program has been continuous modernization. Rather than waiting decades between major upgrades, Dassault Aviation and the French defense industry have adopted an incremental improvement strategy. Successive standards, known as F1, F2, F3, F3R, and now F4, have progressively enhanced the aircraft's radar performance, sensor fusion, electronic warfare capabilities, networking functions, weapon compatibility, and pilot interface. This philosophy ensures that the Rafale remains operationally relevant, even as modern air combat evolves rapidly. Software updates, new sensors, improved communications, and advanced weapons can be integrated without redesigning the aircraft from scratch. Internationally, the Rafale has become one of France's greatest defense export successes. Countries including Egypt, Qatar, India, Greece, Croatia, Indonesia, Serbia, and the United Arab Emirates have selected the aircraft to modernize their air forces. Each customer values different aspects of the Rafale. Some prioritize its exceptional air-to-air capability, while others focus on its precision strike performance, advanced electronic warfare systems, or its ability to operate independently with minimal external support. Perhaps the Rafale's greatest strength lies in its balanced design philosophy. Rather than maximizing one,